Today in Smacky's Garage, we're going to be looking at an easier way to grease wheel bearings that's going to be much neater and to ensure you get good coverage of grease inside the wheel bearing. So let's go ahead and look at this GearWrench Bearing Packer. Now to use this, we're going to demonstrate using a simple bearing. I have a bearing and race here from my 69 Mustang. So small tapered bearing like this, we're going to go ahead and pack with grease. Now I'm going to go ahead and start taking this apart and we'll look at the individual parts and then fill this with grease, then fill this with grease. All right, so really simple product. You have this black dust cover that's on top of it, and then you have all these cones and pieces that go with it. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out and look at how everything goes together. Now, under this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill this up with grease. There are two different ways to do this. You can either hand pack some grease in there, so essentially lift it out of a container like this, put it into this, or you can use this nipple here and you can add grease to it and it'll fill from the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it by hand and we're gonna use some of this grease that I have right here. Go ahead and pull this out. All right, so there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take it, we're gonna fill it with the grease of our choice. This, I'm gonna use some of my automotive multi-vehicle from Valvoline. It's rated for wheel bearings, things like that. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put a bunch in here and then set it up to use. Now this is where part of the project where you actually get to use a glove and where it becomes a little bit messy. So the goal is to get just some of this grease in here. You can choose how much you want to put in it. I usually just put in a lot because I'm going to keep this for a while set up. And you can see as I fill this up, it's making quite a mess on the inside and outside. So now plenty of grease in here. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put this on and then I'm going to wipe the outside down. Slowly push on it to get some of that air out. I'll go ahead, wipe the outside down. I'm going to push this down till I've got most of the air out. Now you can see here, the grease is filled in there. You can start to see some grease come up in the center there. You can see a little bit of the red. I'm going to clean all this off now and then get ready to use it. Now, really, depending on the bearing size that you're using, really depends on which adapter you're going to use. So they have these if you're going to be using a little bit larger bearings, but I can just take this. You see the holes in there. I'm going to drop this down the center just like that. And I'm going to take this here and I'm going to push down. And as I push down, you should be able to start seeing the grease come out. Now, this is on the heavier side, this grease. So let's go ahead and see if we can do this on the vise. All right, so I'm currently in the vise, and if I start squeezing this, you're gonna see the grease start coming out all around it. All right, now I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the bearing and take a look at it. It's completely packed. I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers around the outside, spin the needles a little bit, and now you know you have a completely packed bearing. So should be good without any gaps, ready to be installed. Well, that's it. As you can see, doing this project, really easy to pack a bearing. It's probably one of the cleaner ways to do it, not doing everything in your hand. You can see clearly that it got the grease everywhere it needs to be. All you really need to do is use this tool. I'll go ahead and link this in the description if you want to pick it up. I've been using it not only on my 69 Mustang, but also on the dirt bike and all the parts there. So it's really useful across all different bearings. Thanks for tuning in to Smacky's Garage this week. I'll see you next time.